Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If this is your first time watching me or clicking any of my videos, I do nursing videos, lifestyle videos, and like beauty videos, like hair and whatever I feel like doing. So today is not going to be a nursing video. Today I'm going to be straightening my hair with a new straightener. I already washed my hair just now. This is going to be like a redo because the last hair straightening video I made, my hair it didn't look like I straightened it at all. Actually, it looked like all I did was blow dry it. So we're gonna try this again with the new straightener. So I'm going to unbox the straightener and test it out as far as straightening my whole hair and then review it. The straightener that I purchased was the Nano Titanium. So this is how it looks. I took it out of the box, the actual because I got it from Ulta online, so I took it out of the, the brown box that it comes in, like the, what is it called, shipping box? Yeah, I got the Nano Titanium. Baby, I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, but Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium straightener. So I got the 1-inch one, and it goes up to 450 Fahrenheit. So let's hope that, that does the trick. Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro. This is how the straightener looks inside the box. So I'm gonna open it up. What else does it say? So, unboxing. Okay, took it out the box. I'm about to read what it says on the box as far as what the straightener does for you guys. So it says that it is an exceptional conductor of heat, maintains stability in ultra high temperatures. The Nano Titanium heat retention, weight, and smoothness helps reduce time and fatigue. It also yields maximum far infrared heat penetration the hair from within for gentle straightening without damaging hair. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't damage my hair. Look at the plates. See yourself. It's like a mirror. This actually, it was a lot. How much was this? This was like $130. Yeah, this was about $130, I think. Okay, so I'm going to blow dry my hair now. I'm not gonna really be talking that much because you're not even gonna hear me and there's no point of talking, but okay, I'm gonna blow dry my hair now with my Red by Kiss Detangler 2000 ceramic blow dryer. That's how it looks. Let's start the process. Okay, so I separated my hair to get it out of the way so that I can straighten it, well, blow dry it. So before I blow dry my hair, I'm going to use Redken Thermal Smoothing Blow Dry Lotion. It's my first time using it. And then I'm gonna use Biosilk Silk Therapy Thermal Shield. I've used this before in the past. It's been a while. I used it when I had my hair permed, but now that I'm natural, I'm gonna try it again. And I'm going to be using the Olive Heat Protectant Spray as well to protect my hair from heat while I'm blow drying and straightening my hair. So this is by Silk Elements. Okay, now let's start. started straightening my hair and then I realized I didn't press record, so therefore you guys missed the first strand. But look at it. This is so much better than my old straightener. My old straightener would have never done this. So I'm going to show you guys the next strand of me straightening my hair, and then after that I'm just going to be straightening it without talking. Alright, so I'm doing the next strand now. So spraying the Biosilk, spraying the olive oil, well, the olive heat protectant spray by Silk Elements. This straightener was definitely worth the purchase, okay? It's like magic. Like, there's no frizzing occurring. Usually when I'm done straightening my hair, like, or in the midst of me straightening my hair frizzes up. So that's not the case right now. It's still straight and I'm surprised. Well, not surprised, but I'm shocked because this was $130, okay? So yeah, very happy about my results. Okay, the straightener was worth it. Get the Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro straightener. This is not sponsored, obviously. Who's paying me right now? No one. It moves, no stiffness, no frizz. Like, amazing. Could have straightened it more in the front, but I got tired after a while. This took me about an hour and 30 minutes only because I'm super slow when I'm straightening my hair, and I also did it in small sections. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Hannah Leah, and stay tuned for more great videos.